Hi, hello guys, Flash here with another video. Today we're going to discuss about Yoshi. Yoshi is an platform where you guys do have gamepads, NFT, markets, farms, all that stuff's taking. But right now Yoshi is doing a Angelman Syndrome Smile Challenge, so you're going to earn free money and you're also going to make a donation towards the Angelman Syndrome. So that being said, let's just hop right in the video. So we have over here their website at yoshi.io. We have over here the Angelman Syndrome Smile Challenge. I have made a video on a game on Star Moon, a game that's available on the Android. If you guys already saw the video, this is a 3D game that you can play right now onto the Android. It is in beta right now, so but you still can play it. But right now we're not going to discuss about that. We're going to get into the Smile Challenge because it is really cool. Actually, we do have here a medium post. So Smile Challenge, show love and care to Angelman Syndrome. Firstly, we do have here the about what is the Angelman Syndrome. So this is an intellectual disorder caused by genetic defects. This is kind of a Down syndrome. The main clinical manifestations are severe development backwardness, so low intelligence, language impairment, movement or balance disorder. We have here 15,000 patients with the disease worldwide. Most of them are children, although they are born to laugh, be pure and lovely. Every angel represents a broken-hearted family behind them. So they have created this challenge in order to get and gather some money for the Angelman Syndrome patients. So how to participate into this challenge? Take a beaming toothy smile photo with paper writing smile challenge. Like here we have on Twitter, a lot of people are doing this challenge. You are also going to get about $2 over here just for doing this, posting a photo on Twitter with the hashtags as you guys can see over here, hashtag smile challenge, show love and care to Angelman. We have a lot of pictures over here, a lot of guys, children, and everyone is doing this. So yeah, we're also going to see why and how much is going to be donated towards. So as I said before, take a beaming toothy smile photo, writing smile challenge in hand and post the photo on the Twitter with the text. So show love, hashtag Angelman with a beaming smile, hashtag smile challenge. You also have to tag 3 friends and invite them to join the smile challenge. And after that you have to go over to the form over here. I'll link it down in the description. All you guys have to do is upload your file over here, your Twitter link. So let's say I am this guy, I am Kim SM. I just go over here, copy the tweet, go over here, paste, put in your Telegram username. So let's say mine is cryptoflash.xx and your BAP20 address. That's something like your MetaMask. So just copy that and put it over here. And after that, just click on next and you're ready to go. You're going to get your airdrop of like $2 or something, as you guys can see over here, $1.89 at the time of recording. So the duration is going to be from the 16th of November till December 16th. How could you help Angelman Syndrome by the challenge? So one smile challenge participant equals 5 million Yoshi donation. So how much is that? We do have here over here, every participant is going to donate $10 for the Yoshi. So just by going and taking a photo of yourself with the text smile challenge, you're going to donate $10. Very easy. So it's a win-win. You donate towards the Angelman Syndrome and you also get a $2 airdrop. So easy as that. Every smile challenge participant will receive over here 1 million Yoshi as rewards for showing love to Angelman Syndrome. Also have here the challenge target, a total amount of 300,000. I don't know how much is that. It's a lot actually. It's not 1,000, sorry for that. In Yoshi charity wallet is planned to put into the Angelman Syndrome charity pool by the Smile Challenge. So if we convert this amount over to the PancakeSwap, we can see that this is about 948 BNB. So this is actually a lot. So if we go and put it onto BUSD, it's going to be about $500,000, $550,000. So insane amount. So Yoshi is doing an insane job for this. So yeah, note, there is no cost for participating in the Smile Challenge. Your participation is a kind of donation. So as I said before, please go ahead and take a photo like this. I'm going to put in on screen right now a photo of me doing this challenge. I'll also put it into the description. So thank you guys so much for watching. And for staying till the end. Please go ahead and participate in the Angelman Syndrome Smile Challenge with the hashtag Yoshi and the Angelman Syndrome, or the Smile Challenge. So that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's project and the charity they are doing, and I'll see you into the next one.